The University of the People, does it absolutely suck, or is it actually kind of cool? Which one? Guess what? Some things they do absolutely suck, and some things are kind of cool. Let me walk you through University of the People and my thoughts and my feelings, my opinion about the University of the People. First off, this is what is called a free tuition university. Here's the thing, free tuition, in my mind, if someone says free tuition, it should be free, right? And guess what? Our 100% online tuition free programs, blah, blah, blah. It's a total hoax. It's not really free. Let me show you why. Tuition free. What is tuition free? If we do a little more digging, even on their own website, we'll scroll down here, and why tuition free is at the University mission to provide affordable tuition free education for everybody, blah, blah, blah. But how it works, why is this hidden? Why isn't this shown for everyone to see? Well, if you read a little bit deeper, you'll see that, hey, guess what? You can take classes or start classes for free. But if you want to earn credit for the classes, you have to pay. So you can start the classes for free, but if you want the classes or this degree to mean anything, you do need to pay us in the end. And guess what? For a degree, like $5,000 on the cheapest end, which is actually quite a bit more expensive than free. But is it actually worth it? Well, here's another thing that you need to really drill into your mind. A bachelor's degree can be completed in 4 years. It normally doesn't take 4 years. Their average graduation time is over 5 years. And yes, you'll probably pay $5,000 to $8,000 to get that degree. Guess what? That's not a good deal, even if it sounds like a good deal. Let me tell you why. You can get degrees from other schools in like less than a year for $5,000 to $10,000 in tuition. Would you pay a few pennies extra to save 4 extra years in college? Most people would say yes. Here's another thing. They don't actually accept scholarships because it's not an accredited or a regionally accredited school. So if you're going to another school, you can get government grants and scholarships, which you cannot get with University of the People. Yes, they have some private scholarship opportunities, but it's not really as it seems. Here's another thing I want to show you. If we go into their academic programs, here are the choices they have to choose from. Master's degrees, business administration, education, or information technology. Bachelor's degrees, business administration, health science, or computer science. Associate's degrees, business administration, health science, or computer science. Literally three majors to choose from. It's not good. Now, are they accredited? Kind of. Let me show you. If we're looking for accreditation, we look for two things. Are they nationally accredited or are they regionally accredited? National accreditation is the lower form and it's pretty easy to get. Regional accreditation is really hard to get and is the bar for college degrees. And most schools meet that bar because they actually do the things necessary to meet that bar. So what we're looking for is we want schools to be accredited by one of these institutions here. They are all equivalent. They just are each over a certain geographical portion of the country, but it needs to be one of these. If we go, this is a government tool, and we search University of the People, and we actually search what their accreditation is, let's find out. As you can see, they are accredited from the Distance Education Accrediting Commission. If we go here, do we see it on the list? Distance. Nope, it's not on the list. They are nationally accredited, not regionally accredited. As you can see here, they are pre-accredited for another institution, but that takes like years to do. And that doesn't really count until it's actually accredited, right? So they've applied for accreditation for some other places, but it hasn't been approved yet. That's a big deal. Now, I said they absolutely suck at some things, but they're pretty good at other things. And let me kind of not hate on them all the way. If you want a legitimate degree, I don't like University of the People at all. But if you want to go take some free classes and just learn some stuff, go ahead. Like, they probably have some decent teachers and some decent education. It's just not the place to go to actually get a legit college degree. It's not accredited. It's not actually free. It takes like 5 years. And guess what? Cherry on the top, they have like a 29% graduation rate, which means like what, 71% of people who enroll in this school drop out and never earn a degree. That's really, really bad. So if you want a college degree, there are faster ways to do it. I'm happy to show you better schools that are way faster and end up being cheaper in the end. I earned a bachelor's degree in 9 months for a few $100s out of pocket. What I'll do is I'll leave a link to another video down below. It's my degree hacking tutorial where I walk you through the 3 steps that I took to earn a degree really fast for barely any money. And guess what? It's a much better, more respected degree than University of the People. So shake yourself out of this free tuition thing because it's a marketing gimmick and it's not real. Now, if you're hating on me and you think this video sucks, you're probably going to leave comments down below. That's okay, because guess what? You might love this program, but my opinion is you love this program, you love this school because you've been fooled by their marketing, and that's my opinion. Hope this video's added value to your day. Go watch that video down below if you want to learn how to get a degree faster from better schools, and I will talk to you in the next video.